Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kawai ka Samla na Meghalaya kalapun pau ka Ching Bitar halor ka Ching yai beteng ka Ching Shah kren ben ni ka jat ben rio basong basa akit hanch lam ingi ka India hadian bakalama da ka Ching Shah kren ben haki wei ka jat ben rio hadalhi dak baki Khot ya ka Chong China kani ka Samla ka le thu bakat ba ka dang yat ben ti banlet hakamla nagar kidon kumba laingot ki shenrang brio ki basong haka skuti bat wei na ki ulaong ya ka Chong bat haba ka pet ya ki kiler khi ben ya ka Kliat ho bahadian bagla syakran kumtei kam nang syo ban lei ei hendre ka syurai halade ban syu ngap jar kat ba tang hadian ka tukane por kala thmu ban no syeng bat hadian bagla poi hajaka yengrel sa uwei ubrio ulayat hakmat jongka bat ong yaka Chong China hakata ka poru ki brio ki badan lang hangta kilar khi benyaka hendre kala syu ngap bat pet yauta ubrio klem ong ei kani ka Samla kala pen pau ka jing ngosi haba ka deten rai nong India Hande ki weipat ki kren ben da ka Khot kum kinong China bat ong haba kalet ki weipat kiri kam ju sha kren kumni hande hala ka jong kari ki weipat ki paranong India ki kren ben bat pen sngo yaka kumba kam de kanong shong shnong na India kani ka Samla kala pen mi ka jing kren jong ka ha Instagram bat kintui ki to ki brio bakin sangi no kum kani ka jing kren sngo pher jait ben rio
So I went to Kamlanagar for some work. I was walking and then there were a bunch of grown-up men, like around 3-4. They were sitting on their scooty and I was like passing by and then one man said, Chong. So as soon as I heard, I turned back and then I looked at him and then like all of them started to laugh. And then my brain couldn't process like what I just heard and then they were looking at me and laughing. But still like, I kept quiet and then I walked and then I went to the shop. There was one Tibetan shop called Laughing Wala. So I thought I'll just grab something and then pack it and I'll quickly take a cab and then come back home. But I did not feel like eating anything. I couldn't even think like my brain was not able to process what's happening. I just booked a cab because I have to take a cab from Kamlanagar to metro station and then from that metro station I have to take a metro and come to my place. So after reaching there, I got inside the metro and I was still thinking about those people. I was regretting why didn't I say a word to them. I could have like fought with them. I could have, but I am not that kind of a person who will be like screaming and shouting and fighting with people on the streets. So I just kept quiet and I came. But it's okay. I was just like trying to calm myself down and the doors were still open. People were coming inside the metro and then one guy passed right in front of me and he said Chong China. Again, this is the second time it's happening to me in one day. And the other person looked at me and started laughing because he said Chong China to me. And I just stared at him and I didn't say a word. I have been to like different countries, but they never made me feel like I don't belong there. I am not welcome there. But today, in my own country, fellow Indians, they made me feel like I don't belong here. I was just controlling my tears. I was like, crying from inside. It breaks my heart. My only mistake is that I am born in India and I look like this and I don't look like the rest of the Indians. They make fun of me and they laugh at me just because I look like this. So I want to tell you that yes, people like me exist. I am from Northeast India and I am from Meghalaya. The people who you call Chong China or Sheng or whatever, we are very kind people. We will not laugh at you the way you laugh at us just because we don't look like you. Okay? And please stop this discrimination. Whoever you are, I hope you're watching this video and please stop.